Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Learn channel. Today we are going to learn about expanded form of bigger numbers. Okay, let's see here. Here one table given. First number 3666. Once again see 3666. Okay, let's form the number 3666. This is the number 3666. So here let's see the place values: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Means here how many thousands there? 3000s there. How many hundreds there? 600s. How many tens there? 6 tens. And how many ones there? Only 6 ones. Now let's write the expanded form. 3 in 1000 place, 6 in 100 place, and again 6 tens place, and the last 6 in ones place. So first 3 in 1000 place na, so keep 3 zeros. 1, 2 and 3. 3 zeros. 3000 completed. Now 600s there na, so 2 zeros. 600s. Next 6 tens there na, so keep 1 zero. It is 60. And the last 6 ones there na, so no zeros. 3000, 600, 6 tens and 6 ones. Now this is called the expanded form. This is called the expanded form. 3000, 600, 6 tens, 6 ones. Okay, here example given. Number name 3666. 3000s, 600s, 6 tens and 6 ones. And this is called the expanded form. Now we have to write these numbers also in the expanded form. Okay, number what given? 3579. Let's form the number first. 3579. 3579. Let's see the place values first. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So how many thousands there? 3000s. How many hundreds there? 500s. How many tens there? 7 tens. And how many ones there? 9 ones. Let's write the expanded form. 3000s means we have to keep 3 zeros. 500s means we have to keep 2 zeros. And 7 tens means we have to keep 1 zero. This is the expanded form. 3000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 9. This is called expanded form of 3579. Let's write this. This is the expanded form of 3579. Now, next number 3584. First, let's form the number. 3584. This is the number. The places ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So 3 in the 1000 place, 5 in 100 place, 8 in tens place, and the last 4 in ones place. Let's write the expanded form. 3, 5, 8 and 4. This is called the expanded form of 3584. This is the expanded form. Let's write here. First write the number name. Expanded form of 3584. Now next number 3967. 3967. Let's see the places first. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now what is the number name? 3967. Here how many thousands there? 3 thousands there. How many hundreds there? 9 hundreds there. How many tens there? 6 tens. And how many ones there? 7 ones. Now let's write the expanded form. 3. Okay, 3000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 7. This is the expanded form. Let's write the answer. 3200. 0. 3200. Now let's see the places. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. 3000 plus 200s means how many thousands? 3. How many hundreds? 2. Let's write the number here. Okay, here next bit. Write the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers that can be made from the following digits. Okay, here some digits given. From this one we have to form the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. Okay, let's see the first one. 5109. What are the digits? 5, 1, 0 and 9. These are the 4 digits given here. From this one we have to make largest and smallest number. First, largest number means we have to take the largest digit first. Means we have to get the largest digit in 1000 place. Means 9. Next, from these 3 which one is the largest one? 5. Let's take 5 in the 100 place. Now from these 2 which one is the largest one? Means which one is the bigger number, bigger digit? 1. So take in tens place, and the last 0 in ones place. So what is the largest number? 9510 means 9510. Let's write here 9510. This is the largest number. Next, what is the smallest number? Just do in reverse. Means when we form largest number, we can take the largest digit in 1000 place. When we form the smallest number, we have to take smallest number in 1000 place. So from these 4 digits, which one is the smallest one? 0. But if we take 0 in 1000 place, like this, means first 0, next 1, next 5, next 9. If we form like this, thousand place means first 0 coming means it is not a 4-digit number, because if 0 there means just what is the number name? 159 means 159. It is just 3-digit number, not a 4-digit number. So we have to take another smaller number in thousand place, means 1 in thousand place. Next 0 in 100 place. So what is the smallest number formed by the 5109 is 1059. Let's write here 1059. Next number 2514. What is the number? 2514. From this one we have to form the largest and smallest numbers. Which digits we have to take? 2, 5, 1, 4. From this one we have to form the largest number. Largest number means in thousand place we have to take the largest digit first. So obviously it is 5. Next, from these 3, which one is the largest one? 4. We can take it in 100 place. Next, from this 2 in tens place. And the last 1 in ones place. So what is the number? 5421. Let's write here 5421. Now, to form the smallest number, we have to take the digits from small to big. Means 1, 2 in 100 place, 4 in tens place, and 5 in ones place. What is the number? 1245. Next, 7, 3, 6, 8. 7, 3, 6, 8. We have to form the largest number. So, take 8 in thousand place, 7 in 100 place, and 6 in tens place, 3 in ones place. This is the largest number formed by the 7368. What is the number name? 8763. To get the smallest number, we have to take from small to big. Means 3, 6, 7 in tens place, and the last 8 in ones place. So what is the number name? 3678. Next, 9273. 9273. These are the 4 digits. Now we have to form the largest number. So take the big digit in thousand place. Next, from these 3, which one is the biggest one? 7. Next, 3. And the last 2. So what is the number name? 9732. Let's write here 9732. And to get the smallest number, we have to take small to big. Means 2 in the thousand place, 3 in the 100 place, and 7 in the tens place, and 9 in the ones place. So what is the number name? 2379. It is the smallest number formed by the digits 9 to 73. Let's write here 2379. Now here we have the next bit. Encircle the place value of the underlined digit in the number. So we have to identify the place value of underlined digit. Let's see. First number what given? 8999. So what is the place value of this 9? Underline digit. Let's form the number first with cards. Okay, let's form the number first. 8, 9, 9, 9. Let's see the places. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. What is the number name? 8999. In this one, what is the place value of underline digit? Means this one. What is the place value of this digit? Let's see. Ones, tens, hundreds. Means how many hundreds there? 9 hundreds there. So, place value of underline digit is 900. This is the place value. Let's write here. Here is the 900. Let's circulate. Next, second number. 7074. 7074. 7074. 7074. So here underline digit is 4. First let's see the place value. Let's see the places. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. In this one underline digit is 4. So what is the place of 4? Ones place. So place value of 4 is 4 ones means only 4. Let's circulate. 4.
ఈ వీడియోను వీక్షించినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మా తదుపరి వీడియోలను వీక్షించడానికి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ వీడియో. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్.